Today is Thursday, November 18th. This is the 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo left-hand driver's side power door lock actuator from my friend Jerry in DC. And this is video number 2 of a 2-video set. The unit has been completely taken apart, fully serviced. The catalytic igniter has been replaced. The internal plunger has been replaced with a precision lapped and climatized replacement unit. And then now that the unit's been reassembled, I'm doing a functional validation test under power. So I'll go ahead and apply power to the unit and we'll look at the snap, extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension, contraction. Okay, very powerful snap. And this will be shipping out to my friend Jerry as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage General Motors parts from 1959 to 1976. I specialize in Cadillac, and occasionally I do power door lock solenoids for other GM variants. This particular unit's for a 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. The internal electricals were identical to the Cadillac power door lock solenoid. The only difference is the external canister. So it was a very simple, easy repair for myself, as I have all of the replacement parts. So today is Thursday, November 18th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.